Hey everyone. So in the last update on Bitcoin, I mentioned that we have two alternatives, and one takes Bitcoin to or towards 150,000, and the other one takes Bitcoin towards 50,000 on the downside, right? So these two alternatives were this. The first one was we have completed this wave 5. This is 1 2 3 4 5, and along with this 5, multiple degrees of 5s are complete, right? So this is weekly chart, and if I go to monthly, and then you can see basically this wave also from the very beginning of Bitcoin, this is 1 2 3 4, that also gets completed at this point, right? Let me go back to weekly. So that was the case if this fifth was done. And if that were to happen, that would mean after this, we are expected to see retracement of all these different degrees, right? So not just of this, but for this, for this, for this. And that would be a significant retracement, right? So just to give you a very high level idea, the previous degree wave 4 is here at 74, and this degree of wave 4 is here at around 51,000. I am mentioning wave 4 because retracements typically go to previous degree wave 4, right? So rather than taking a retracement, I'm just telling you broadly what's a possibility, right? And based on this I said that this low at 50,000 is a real possibility if this wave got over here, right? And the second alternative was that this is just first of this fifth. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, and this is not 5 is not completed, and this is just 1 of this 5. So what I have marked in purple here. And in last week what we saw, this candle, right? It makes me believe that maybe we are into this alternative, this purple alternative, and fifth is not complete, fifth is yet to happen. So basically what this means is this, and this is our fifth. So this fifth is still going on, and that means all these degrees also get a new life, and they are yet to complete. So this is 1, and then we had 3 wave correction in 2. So basically we are in 3 of this 5, right? And what I did for giving the projection of 150,000 was, we can go move by move, and we can see what is the size of this one. So this one is 37,000 points. So we can expect something similar for wave 3. That gives around 147,900, roughly around 148,000, right? And that would just be wave 3. And then after that, we'll have wave 4 and then wave 5 as well. So that's why I gave a very kind of, high level estimate of 150K. But as you can imagine that if wave 3 ends at 148, if wave 3 is equal to wave 1, then wave 5 would actually be slightly higher than 150,000, right? So 150,000 was a high level estimate, and it still holds true. So basically this move should take us toward 150 and potentially much above that. And remember that even after this 5 does not mean that we can consider this wave complete, because 5 could always subdivide into 9 and then 13 and so on, right? But taking a very conservative estimate, if this move continues from here, 150K seems definitely on cards for Bitcoin, and that should come pretty soon because this is wave 3 we are talking about. So that's all for this update. Let's see how Bitcoin evolves from here, and we'll try to cover it more regularly. Hope you liked this update, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you very much.